Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss additional practice sums based on surface area of cube and cuboid. So let's start with question number 1. So here first question is two cube of side 6 cm each are joined end to end. Two cubes of side 6 cm are joined end to end. So this is one cube. Length of each side of cube is 6 cm. So two cubes are joined end to end. So consider another cube. Now we have to join these two cubes end to end. So it will be look like this. Done. So two cubes are joined end to end. So one cuboid is formed. So here you have to find the total surface area of this resulting cuboid. So here two cubes are joined. Length of each side of cube is 6 cm. So here for this resultant cuboid, this is the length, this will be the breadth, and this will be the height. So each side of this cube is 6 cm. So here for this cuboid we can say that this length is nothing but this 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12 cm. Breadth B, that is equal to 6 cm, and height H is equal to 6 cm. So total surface area of this cuboid. So we can write total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid. So what is the total surface area of cuboid? Formula is it's a twice of LB plus BH plus HL. This is equal to twice of L into B. It's a 12 into 6 plus B into H, 6 into 6, 6 into 6 plus H into L, 12 into 6. So this is equal to 12 into 12 6 are 72 plus 6 6 are 36 plus 12 6 are 72. So this is equal to 2 into 72 plus 72. It's 144 plus 36, 150, 180, and this is equal to 360 centimeters square. So total surface area of resulting cuboid is 360 centimeters square is the answer. Clear students? Pause this video and note. Now question number 2. So here given question is a closed iron tank 12 meter long, 9 meter wide. Tank is 12 meter long, 9 meter wide, and 4 meter deep. Depth is nothing but the height. These are the dimensions of closed iron tank. Done. An iron tank is in the form of cuboid. Cuboidal shape of tank is there. Dimensions are given. Determine the cost of iron sheet which is used at the rate of 50 rupees per meter. Total cost of iron sheet which is used to make this tank, and the rate of iron sheet is 50 rupees per meter. 50 rupees per meter. Find the total cost. And this iron sheet being 2 meter wide. Breadth of this iron sheet is 2 meter. Done. So here we have to find the total cost of iron sheet which is used. So now first we have to find the total surface area of this cuboidal tank. Dimensions are given. So total surface area of this cuboidal tank is nothing but the area of this iron sheet. So total area of iron sheet, total area of iron sheet is nothing but the total surface area of cuboidal tank. So what is the total surface area of cuboid? It's a twice of LB plus BH plus HL. Put the values. Twice of LB, L into B, 12 into 9 plus BH, B into H, 9 into 4 plus HL, H into L, H is 4, L is 12, 4 into 12. Perform this multiplication and then add them. So it's a twice of 12 nines are 108 plus 9 fours are 36 plus 12 fours are 48. So this is equal to twice of this addition. 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 8 22, 2 carry with 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. This one is 1. 192 into 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 384 meters square is the total area. Now here the iron sheet which is 2 meter breadth, done. So here the total cost of length is 50 rupees per meter, that is the length. So what is the area of iron sheet? So area of iron sheet, area of this iron sheet is nothing but the total surface area of cuboidal tank, total surface area of cuboidal tank. So this iron sheet which is in rectangular shape, that is L into B, and that it must be equal to total area of this cuboidal tank, 384. So from this we can get the length of this iron sheet. So total length is L and breadth is given 2 meters, which is equal to 384. So length of this iron sheet is 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4 meters. Total 192 meter length is there, breadth is 2 meter. Now cost of this iron sheet based on the length of this iron sheet, which is 50 rupees per meter. So here cost of 1 meter sheet which is of 2 meter of breadth is 50 rupees. So what is the total cost of 192 meter length of sheet? So it's a 192 into 50. So total cost is 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45 plus 1 46, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9 and 1 0. 9600 rupees is the total cost of iron sheet of breadth 2 meter, which is used to make this iron tank of length 12 meter, breadth 9 meter and height 4 meter. This is the solution. Pause the video and note it down. Number 3. Listen the question carefully. The length of a hole 20 meter and width 16 meter. So length of hole is 20 meter. So here cuboidal shape hole is given. A hole is there which is in the shape of cuboid. So let me try to draw cuboidal shape hole. This is our hole. This is the hole of, we can say, Akshar Education. This is our classroom, because we are having large classroom like halls. So here length L is 20 meter. Length of this hole is 20 meter. Breadth B, width is given. Width, that is the breadth, which is 16 meter, and height H is not given. Length of hole is 20 meter and width is 16 meter. And here sum of area of floor and the flat roof is equal to sum of area of this floor and the flat roof is equal to area of 4 walls. So here we are given area of floor plus area of flat roof, sum of these two area is equal to area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls is nothing but the lateral surface area of this cuboid. This is given. So by using this data, find the height of this hole. We have to find the height of this hole. Clear, students? So what is the area of this floor? Area of this floor is nothing but the L into B. And what is the area of the roof? Which is also nothing but the L into B. So area of the floor, that is L into B, that is LB plus LB, is nothing but the area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls is nothing but the lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid. So LB plus LB, twice of LB. So it's a twice of LB equal to lateral surface area. It's a twice of H, L plus B. So twice of LB, L and B both are given. So it's a twice of L, L is 20 and B, which is 16, and that is equal to twice of H is not given, that we have to find L plus B. L is 20 and B is 16. So what is this simplification? 2 into 20 into 16 divided by these two terms, 2 into 20 plus 16, which is 36, that is equal to H. Simplify this, we are getting the value of H. So 2 cut, this will be 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16. So our H will be in fraction. Very good. Yes, we are getting H in terms of fraction, which is 80. 4 2s are 80 by 9 meter. The height of the hole is 80 by 9 meter. Clear, students? Pause the video and बताया आपको क्या. Okay, students, now question number 4. So here question is, a classroom is 7 meter long, 6.5 meter wide and 4 meter high. Classroom is given. Again, classroom is in the shape of cuboid whose dimensions are given. Length, breadth and height of classrooms are given. Only one classroom is there. So length is 7 meter. Breadth of classroom is 6.5 meter. 6.5 meter and height of the classroom is 4 meter. These are the dimensions of classroom. This classroom has one door. Classroom has one door whose dimensions are given. Length and breadth. It's a rectangular door is there whose dimensions are 3 meter and 1.4 meter. These are the dimensions of door. One door and 3 windows are there. 3 windows are there. And the dimensions of windows are given. Length and breadth. Length and breadth of each window is 2 meter and 1 meter. Done? So this is the classroom. One classroom is there whose length, breadth and height is given. In that classroom, one door is there whose dimensions are 3 meter into 1.4 meter. And that classroom having 3 windows, each of having 2 meter length and 1 meter breadth. This is the dimension. So now what we have to do? The interior wall is to be color washed. What we have to do? The walls of this classroom to be color washed. So walls of the classroom to be color washed, that means we have to avoid the area of door as well as 3 windows. Done? So the interior wall of this classroom to be color washed. Find the cost of color washing this classroom at the rate of color washing is given. What is the rate? That means color washing 1 meter square area is 3.50 rupees. So that is the rate. 1 meter square area will be cost into 3.50 rupees. So here we have to find the total cost of white washing, or we can say color washing these walls. Done? So what is the area to be color washed? That means the area of walls except area of door and windows. So first we will find the total surface area, or we can say lateral surface area, or we can say total area of walls. That is area of walls, that is nothing but the lateral surface area of cuboid. lateral surface area of cuboid. यहाँ पर हमें सीलिंग और फ्लोर कंसिडर नहीं करना है. So lateral surface area is twice of h, L plus B. So this is equal to twice of h. Height of classroom is 4, L plus B 7 plus 6.5. This is equal to 2 4s are 8, and this one is 13.5. So it's 8 into 135 by 10. 5 2s are, this will be 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, and 2 4s are 8. So this is equal to 27 4s are, 4 7s are 28, 4 2s are 8, and 10. 108 meter square is the total area of wall. Done. It's a lateral surface area of classroom, or we can say surface area of wall. From this area of wall, what we have to do? We have to subtract the area of this one door and 3 windows. Area of this one door and 3 windows, that we have to subtract. So area of door plus 3 windows. Area of one door and 3 windows, that we have to subtract. So what is the area of door? Length into breadth, 3 into 1.4 plus 3 windows are there and dimensions are 2 into 1. So this one is 14 3s are 42, 4.2 plus 2 1s are 2 plus 3, 6. So it's a 10.2 meter square is the area of door and window. So this area we have to subtract from the area of these 4 walls. That will be the remaining area to be color wash. So now next step, that is area of wall, area of walls to be color wash, that is equal to lateral surface area minus area of door and windows. Done. So lateral surface area of this cuboid is nothing but the 108. From this 108 meter square area, we have to subtract the area of this window as well as door, that is 10.2. So what is the total area? Subtraction. So 108.0 minus 10.2. So 7 10 8 7, and this will be 9. 97.8 meter square is the total area to be whitewashed. Done. Now we have to find the total cost. Total cost of whitewashing, color washing 1 meter square area is 350. So total cost of color wash, total cost of color wash equal to rate into total area to be washed. Total area to be washed. What is the rate? It's a 3.50, not 3.50, 3.50 into area 97.8. So here by multiplication we are getting total rupees, total cost of color wash, and that is equal to 342.30. 342.30 rupees. Done is the total cost of whitewashing, not whitewashing, color washing the walls of this classroom. Clear, students? Again, pause the video and put it down. Okay, students, now question number 5. So here 5th question is, the edge of cube is 10.5 millimeter. Edge of cube is 10.5 millimeter. Millimeter is there. find the total surface area. Find the total surface area in terms of centimeter square. So total surface area of cube, formula, it's a 6L square. This is equal to 6 into L square, 10.5 whole square. So it's a 6 into 11025. Done. So total surface area is 6 into 110 into 25. So multiplication, 6 5 are 30, 6 2 are 12, plus 3 15, 6 1 are 6, 6 1 are 6, and we have to cut 2 points. It's a millimeter square. So total surface area is 661.50 millimeter square. Now we have to convert this millimeter square into centimeter square. So what is the relation? 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 centimeter square equal to 10 square, 100 millimeter. So we have to divide this millimeter square by 100. So we are getting total surface area in terms of centimeter square. So it's a 661.50 divided by 100. So now it is converted into centimeter square. So total surface area of this given cube is 6.615 centimeter square is the answer. 6.615 centimeter square is the answer. Clear, students? Very good question is there. Now question number 6. The length, breadth and height of the cuboid are 15, 10 and 20 centimeter. Length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height h is 20 centimeter. These are the dimensions of cuboid. Find the surface area of cuboid. So surface area is mentioned. So we have to find the total surface area of this cuboid. Simple sum is there. So total surface area of cuboid, what is the formula? It's a twice of LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the values. 2 into L into B, 15 into B, 10, B into H, 10 into 20 plus HL, 20 into L, which is 15. This is equal to 2 into 150 plus 200 plus 300. This is equal to twice of 500, 650. 650 into 2, which is equal to 1300 centimeter square is the total surface area, or we can say surface area of cuboid. Pause the video and note it down. So here the surface area of cuboid is 1372 centimeter square. That is total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid is 1372 centimeter square. Now dimensions are in the ratio. Dimensions of cuboids are nothing but the length, breadth and height. This length, breadth and height are in the ratio 4:2:1. Find its length. Find the value of its length is the question. So students, here ratio is given. So let's assume this given ratio is equal to x. This is equal to x, and therefore we are getting L equal to LBH, L equal to 4x, B equal to 2x, height h equal to 1x, that is x. We can write this one in terms of centimeter. Done. So now total surface area of cuboid is given. Total surface area of cuboid is nothing but the twice of LB plus BH plus HL. Total surface area is given it's a 1372, and that is equal to twice of L into B, 4x into 2x plus B into H, 2x into x plus HL, H into L, H is x and L is 4x. Done. Solve this equation, we will get the value of x, put that value of x in this L, so we will get our answer. So this is 1372 equal to twice of 4 2s are 8x square plus 2x square plus 4x square, 4x square. This is 1372 equal to twice of 14x square. So now we are getting the value of x square. So this x square is nothing but the 1372 divided by this 2 and 14, 2 into 14. So we are getting the value of this x. So what is the simplification? Can we divide it by 2? 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 3 14 से कट नहीं हो रहा है, 2 से कट होगा ना, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, again 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, और ये 7 से कट होगा, 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63. So x square equal to 49 and hence x equal to 7. Not plus or minus 7, only plus 7 because this is the length. So x equal to 7, put in this value of L, L is 4x, 4 into x, x is 7. So L equal to 28 centimeter is the length of this given cuboid. Clear students? Pause this video and note it down.